Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. I'm joined by an absolute legend. Should I say, actually, a chef first? A fellow chef.
There you go.
Welcome to the kitchen,
Bobby Kerr.
a
long time ago.
Bobby Kerr, guys, he's an absolute legend. You notice him from Dragon's Den, also from Insomnia Coffee as well. We're going to do the chicken mince lettuce cups. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off firstly, because we need to get this frying off. Yeah. So we got the chicken mince. So this is Manor Farm chicken mince. This is just breast fillets that are minced down. Irish chicken. You can buy it in the supermarkets now. Everywhere.
That looks great, because I didn't realise that was available.
Unfortunately, you have to look at my ugly mug on the
side.
side.
That as well.
But there's little recipes inside.
It's very clever.
Yeah, it's a nice little idea.
And the fact that it's breast meat, I think, is particularly nice.
Yeah, so it's lean. It's a good lean product for you to kind of gain protein.
Do you want me to start getting the
veg do you want to start chopping, all right? What we do with this, Bobby, is I kind of just break it up slightly. Yeah. At this stage, what I want to do is I get a little bit of colour on it. These are the mushrooms there. I'm going to do the water chestnuts. So I'm going to dice these as well. You trained as a chef.
I spent 2.5 years working on the rigs.
Oh my God, yeah.
In the North Sea as a chef. The food had to be absolutely stellar because it was the most important thing on the rig to keep the guys motivated.
You must have had an army of chefs then, did you?
Well, there was 8 of us.
What?
Cooking for 800. I remember the stats. It was hard work, but it was good.
A bit of sea salt here, yeah?
Yeah, that's great.
On you go,
I get the garlic.
This is a great little tip. So you sprinkle some sea salt onto the table, and then what he's doing is he's crushing it with the salt.
Gives you a bit of grip on it, and you end up with a lovely paste.
As you can see, he's an absolute pro. I'm learning from the pro myself as I go along. Got good colour on there. So this goes off into the bowl.
So you put that aside then and come back to it?
Yeah, we'll come back to it because we don't want to overcook it. So I'm going to go in, ginger in, garlic's next. So here, in you come here. And you can use the spoon. Garlic in. We're going to sweat those slightly. You can add the mushrooms in now as well. And then mushrooms and pepper. You know yourself.
Nice.
Yeah. In you go. There we go. Look at this. I don't have to do anything. I'm just going to relax here.
That's looking good and smelling good as well.
Isn't it? Yeah. So we go back in with the mince. It's very simply done. And then you can start adding then sauces in. So hoisin first.
Soy.
Yeah, soy in, yeah. We don't have corn flour, so if you don't have corn flour, great tip for you. This is even for thickening gravies or thickening anything like that. We have just ordinary plain flour. We add oil to it, so you're just trying to make a paste out of it.
When I remember doing the duck a la orange years ago.
Oh yeah?
And when you were running out of orange sauce, some fella came out with a tin of old English marmalade, and that was thrown on the pan as well. We got the orange sauce. Yeah, that's a nice smooth roux, so you don't get any lumps.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So in you go.
All right, there you go.
Mix that in.
It's nice now.
Look at that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's class. Water chestnuts. So they go in, and then you go in spring onions in. Yeah. Lovely. Perfect. Okay. We serve this up.
Lovely. Now, maybe 3 per portion? What do you think?
We'd be generous.
Generous.
I'm a Cavan man, but I'm a generous one.
Portions.
A good spoonful in each. Pomegranate seeds. So a few of these little bursts of sweetness over top.
There you go.
There we have
love it.
our Asian chicken mince lettuce cup wraps. They're delicious. They're a lovely little canopy for you to try. For more great recipes like that one, check out chicken.ie. This guy's a legend. I think he should have his own series, his own cookery show himself.
Thanks, Adrian.
You're brilliant. Thank you very much. Cheers.
As always, a pleasure. I'm hearing the crunch, which is good.
Oh man.
Very good.
It's delicious.
It's also nice since I didn't have any lunch. So.